Hello to the 9 Bangalore Short Film Festival 2020. I'm Radhika Duli and he's Mayank Tulsian, the directors of the short film The Clown Inside, and we are really grateful to the festival for providing us such an opportunity to showcase our work.
So this is our debut film,
Yeah.
and we really hope that you will enjoy it and like it. Talking about the ideation of the film, this is obviously a quarantine, and about the people who are stressed and stuck in a place, feeling lonely, depressed, and we tried covering that part along with the great character, the Joker. Joaquin Phoenix and Heath Ledger, of course, they are the greatest legend who performed this character in a very vast manner. And obviously, everyone, including me, could only try. And since this is my debut film as an actor, I really wanted to pay a tribute to them. And
He's a huge fan.
yeah, so I tried performing the Joker, and this is the mixture which we tried while framing the story in this film, clubbing the character who transforms himself into the Joker by the end of his day, and while he goes all crazy. So I hope you like it. And
We hope you like it. Writing the story was like much fun to us because we were getting the different ideas, even like from our friends, how they are feeling, what activities they are doing, like they are engaging into themselves into their little hobbies like playing guitars or playing cards and all. So
poker,
we
which we
we
played
lot
when all
during the quarantine
Yeah.
time. We also picked that. So it was we were gathering the ideas through all these things, and we started curating the story, and every scene was like a little improvisation for us, like what is written on the script, and when we were in the front of the camera, so we were like little improvising कि इसको ऐसे करते हैं, इसमें थोड़ा सा ऐसे ले आओ. So that was the thing, and there is one shot in the film, which is the mirror shot. You remember the mirror shot?
Yeah, the main scene where we're playing the poker.
Yeah.
The character is playing the poker
Yeah.
with his inner self. Yeah.
In that scene, arranging mirror was like quite difficult for us, because for that scene we were needing that like the Joker, the main character of the film is playing cards with himself because he doesn't have anybody around him or
Stuck
with him
all
all
alone
over
in
the
house,
quarantine.
Yeah.
So for that we need a mirror. It was like a full frame mirror we needed. So
Like 6 by 3 feet, I guess.
yeah, yeah. So we talked to our friend who deals in the furniture. We asked him to arrange the mirror, and he helped us in arranging that mirror. So now another thing was like we need somebody to hold that mirror, or how we should place that mirror on the camera for the shoot purpose. So we like asked our brothers and sisters, please इसे पकड़ के रखो. And,
we were lacking with human resources in this
Yeah.
time because
Yeah.
there were no labor who could
Yeah.
help us with that thing. So we had to arrange it all by ourselves only.
Yeah, and also like there were also problem with the camera. The camera, there was some difficulty in the camera, technical difficulties in the camera which we were shooting with. So we asked like my dad that if we can arrange another camera. So somehow he arranged another camera.
Eventually, who is the producer of this film?
And he arranged the camera, and we did other, and through that camera now we reshoot many other scenes in which they were having little lighting problem. The camera was good. In this camera there was like very good lighting, so we were
Any
able
other technical issues?
we were able to balance light more in the film.
Yeah, so this film is actually an experimental thriller and a drama based, and showing the personality change, being a normal guy who turns into a Joker. So it was really great experience doing this project, and I think we both are in a debut,
Yeah.
and it was a great experience. We learned many things, and obviously we'll be doing
How
more
to
and
edit.
more. Yeah, and
we learned many edit things.
many other things like
YouTube
I
really
did.
helped us.
Yeah, I did editing all by myself, and it was the first time that I was doing all these things. So
Yeah.
it really helped me learn many things, and I hope we will be doing more and more of the projects. And we really appreciate Bangalore Short Film Festival to provide us such a great platform. And this is the place where we actually first we applied
Yeah.
our film, and though they granted us such a great platform, and then even we applied in other shorted.in also.
Shorted India, it's a lockdown
so
challenge.
earlier I think we were lacking confidence that what this will be, is it a great film or
Whether,
not,
whether it will be selected
Yeah.
or not, or
but
we were like whether it will be rejected on the music rounds or so.
but now I think it's turning quite
Yeah,
good.
Quite good, yeah.
And,
Everybody is like appreciating us.
So I hope you all are gonna enjoy it a lot.
Yeah.
And once again, thanks to BSFF20.
And we also congratulate all the participants for their hard work and their creativity, and we really hope that Bangalore Short Film Festival 2020 will be rocking, and it will really rock 2020 this time, because 2020 is taking all the quarantine.
So yeah, thanks,
Thank
and
you, everyone.
keep watching.